Welcome to the Hot and Spicy. Hope you've had a good week. And you're about to have a good weekend, or had a good Saturday if you, well, especially if you're off. You don't work Saturdays. Maybe I hope you've had a nice weekend. Right, Pad Thai chicken Pad Thai. From Tesco, finest range. Trying it. It comes in a ginger and tamarind sauce. There's carrots, all these noodles, chicken, cashew nuts, there's all sorts of things in it. So I've added 10, I've split about 10 bird's eye chilies, and then added them to this and then heated it with this in. And then at the end I've added a hot sauce, which is only a hot and sweet Maggi sauce. Blended, you can't tell really, but blended that together. And then a side dish, there's some sweet chilli sauce here with some vegetable vegetable wontons. I think they're vegetable spring rolls and prawn toast. Drink of choice, Old Speckled Hen, and this is a 4.8%. God, I'm looking forward to a drink today. And we've got Hobgoblin Ruby Beer, 5%. And if I'm honest, I'm going to go with that one first. Don't mess with Texas. Cheers, Andy. Love that. Right. Oh, and before, earlier on, when I got home from work, straight away, I was given some fresh oysters from Eric. Thank you, Eric. So and he borrowed me the oyster knife. Got them open, and yeah, down the hatch. They were lovely. So good health. Thanks for joining me. And here we go. I couldn't drink that too fast, it's cold. I forgot to be in the fridge. That is nice. Anyway, let's have a try this. Oh yeah, I can taste tamarind. Yeah, and the ginger. Let's try the chicken. Chili. Holy. Now I found this hams. I leave chilies. If I don't use them all, I put them in well, it's a paper bag, like greaseproof paper bag, in the fridge, and they get slightly hotter as they start to dry out, I think. What an idea. Plus that little bit of sauce. I could have put a bit more sauce in, but I didn't want to completely change the recipe, if you know what I mean. Let's try a vegetable wonton. Nice. That is a nice sauce, sweet. What are you having? I have brought a spoon in case I have to start doing all this twisting malarkey. So first impressions really, I've added sauce. It's a bit dry. It may be that it's meant to be that way, but it could do with a bit more surroundation of sauce, should we say. But flavoursome. I'm glad I've added these chilies. Burst of heat. Oh, lovely flavour buds, eh? Prawn toast. Prawn toast, sweet chilli. Mrs H has been out today doing some filming in Ruthin. She went to there's a Christmas market there on the square, and so she went and took a few clips of things. I haven't looked at the footage yet. That's for the Christmas video. We start filming bits and bobs. Now let's go for one of these. I know this isn't Chinese, you know what I mean? But I'll tell you what, it goes together. I'm glad of this sauce actually. Yeah. That's the only thing I'd say, and this is from their finest range. I'd say could do with a bit of moisture, bit of wetting up a bit, just something. But as I say, the flavours are lovely. That's lovely. A bit more prawn toast. I was looking forward to this. I'll be trying I've got a freezer in the curry. No, we'll try that again, shall we? Take two. I got a curry in the freezer which I bought from, I'm pretty sure it was Tesco about 2 weeks ago. I just seen it by chance, I wasn't looking for it. It was I can't remember if it said extra hot or hot curry. You don't usually see that word in Tesco, hot curry. I've seen the was it the hot tikka masala or something they brought up. Well, I think I've tried that. There's so many supermarkets doing it now, I get confused which ones. Anyway, I bought this hot or extra hot curry, whatever it was, in the freezer, so I'll have that in one of the hot and spices. But I'm going to be trying a rice soon. Now the rice itself is nothing, you know, out of the world or special, but it's the process it's had done to it locally, and I'll speak about that when we use it. I may this is lovely. May do a hot homemade curry. Oh, they are. Bit of chicken at last. Let's have a chilli and a chicken. Damn, I should have had that sauce on. Not to worry. Well, it's been a bit cold this week. We've had frost. It went to minus 4 degrees below freezing. Ooh. Been looking forward to that. That's nice, that ruby beer. The same colour as a good quality bitter. I'm doing that for dinner. You see, posh people do that with wine. I remember once talking about posh people. I tell just before I go on that, there's 10 Chillies here split, and splitting them for me now is nicer than chopping them. I will chop them in future, but you just get a bit more in the mouth, and it's ooh. They're not super hot chilies, but they are hot. They've got a good kick, and the more you have, the up it goes. Now, if I hadn't added these, or that little bit of sweet, it's only the Maggie's hot and sweet sauce is nice, there'd be nothing, and it's not meant to be hot. But what I'm trying to say is, because it's a standard meal, you're not meant to, well, I don't think you're supposed to add your own ingredients to it, but it's not ruined it in any way. I can still taste everything, but I'm just getting this lovely warmth in the mouth, nice heat. And I'm eating too quick probably because I was looking forward to so much. Anyway, this is a hot sweet chilli sauce. There's nothing, well, I can't find any heat in that. Yeah, so talking of posh people, well-to-do, speak the Queen's English, or the King's English now. And there was a shoot, pheasant shoot on, and they were all meeting up in their Range Rovers, and some of them had drivers and their own drivers, chauffeurs. So they're all meeting up now, having sort of what do they have? Like a brandy, a breakfast brandy or whatever it is. And in their tweeds, and it was around Christmas, just before Christmas it was, and I was delivering. They're always pleasant. Good morning, how are you? Yes, I expect you're busy this time of the year. Yes. Anyway, one of the older chaps was asking his friend there, oh, I can't remember his name now. Where's Geoffrey? Where's Geoffrey? Oh, he's gone to London to spend Christmas with his daughter. Oh, what a rotter. What a rotter. And the way he said this, what he meant was not a rotter going to his... He wasn't a rotter. Oh, what a rotter. He's not there. Because he must have been looking forward to seeing him or something. And then, damn good shot. Yeah. So nice change. I've never tried that one before from there. Lovely meal, but for me, I'd like just, you know, no sauce, just something that clings to this like a sauce, just slightly more moist or wetter. It's a bit dry, but as in a meal, but the chicken's not dry. I don't mean it like that. It's just you know what I mean. But adding the chillies is absolutely stunning. And really, they're raw because they've only cooked for 4 minutes. If you've ever, I'm tired. That's why I mumble, and I apologise for the shave tomorrow. Mumbling a lot in that because I'm tired. It's been exceptionally busy. I'm talking awfully posh myself now. Exceptionally busy. So by the time Saturday comes, you're sort of ready. I'm chilling now, you see. I start to chill. But you start mumbling and things don't make sense that come out your mouth. Well, that is normal. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Oh, you'll be pleased to know. Well, not that I won't subject you to it, but I've had another bad dad jokes tin, which is full of cards, but Christmas jokes, that's it. Is it bad dad Christmas jokes, some of that? Going down a treat. So plans tomorrow, we're nipping out again. And obviously to go for a day out, well, a sort of half a day out, isn't it? A bit of filming, again towards Christmas video. May have a spot of lunch. It's our anniversary today, and I think in the shave I said it was today, 30th. 28 years to this day I got married. In 1996, and people always say, how have you put up with him so long? Yeah. "28 years. Scary, you know. Wow. Amazing. Right. That's me done. I've had my kick. So 10 chilies. Just a nice little burn in the mouth. These are not super hot chilies. Well, for me, I don't know. When you talk about heat, we're all different, so I can't say these are super hot. Well, they might be for me or for you, but not for everybody. If I say these are not hot, and then somebody goes out to Tesco tomorrow and buys a bag, puts a load in, and they're all honking their guts. Well, you know what I mean, or ill or something. It was super hot, they burnt me. So it depends on your tolerance. But they're not hot for me, they're lovely, nice flavour, and a lovely, the more you have obviously, and it's a nice burn in the mouth. That's more sweet chilli, that's nice combination with these. I'll finish these during the edit of this, and oh wait, chillies. So if you follow me on Paul H, see in the morning, new soap on that. And if not, I'll see you in the next video. As I say, we're popping out this weekend, doing a bit of filming. Maybe a bit of a meal, something like that. People may say, oh, you're not going out for your anniversary. No, we don't. A 25 year or 30 year maybe we'll do something together, but we don't have a big fuss on things. Because we go for nice meals all year, you know, we do nice things whenever we can, or whenever we want, really. So that's that. Anyway, waffling. Thanks very much, have a great weekend, look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and bye bye. Good timing.